Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your hard disk size in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and has finished loading. Wait for everything to settle and for your desktop to appear completely before moving forward. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly and you'll be able to access the tools you need without any delays. Once your PC is ready and you're on your desktop, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Locate the Windows Start button, which is the icon with the Windows logo. Instead of clicking it normally, right-click on this Windows icon. This action will open a context menu with several system options that give you quick access to important Windows features and settings. From the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Disk Management and click on it. This is a powerful built-in Windows tool that provides detailed information about all storage devices connected to your computer. The disk management window will now open, displaying a comprehensive overview of your system's storage configuration. In the disk management window, you'll see all the hard disks currently installed on your Windows 11 PC. The interface is divided into sections that show different aspects of your storage. At the top, you'll notice a header section that displays important information, including the capacity and free space for each drive. This gives you a quick snapshot of how much total storage you have and how much is still available for use. Additionally, you can check the total size by looking at the bottom left portion of the window. Here, you'll find detailed disk descriptions labeled as Disk 0, Disk 1, and so on if you have multiple drives installed. Each disk listing shows its total capacity, partition layout, and other technical details. This bottom section is particularly useful because it shows the physical disks themselves rather than just the partitions, giving you a complete picture of your system's storage hardware. And that's it. You now have a clear view of your hard disk size and storage configuration in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.